Starting around 17 walk 2024 Avalanche basically is exchanging at $55.67 in term of its US rate with the value change of 106% in most recent 1 hour amazingly. Avax in every practical sense has a complete market cap of $21.53734 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,658,194.12 in an unobtrusive manner. This basically makes Avalanche Avax fundamentally positioning at 10 in the cryptographic money market, which in every way that really matters is very critical. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Avalanche cost expectation end of 2024, what will Avalanche really be for the most part worth in 2024, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge? Is Avalanche an essentially wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2024? Will Avax cost really outperform its record-breaking high, which especially is genuinely huge? These truly are our Avalanche cost expectations for Avax's future in a huge manner. Avalanche Avax Value Expectation 2024 as per the Avalanche Conjecture Cost and Specialized Examination. In 2024 the Avax cost in every practical sense is supposed to fundamentally cross and in every practical sense normal value level of $78.25, the normal really least value worth of Avalanche toward the finish of the very current year ought to be $75.45, which by and large is genuinely critical. Besides, Avax can essentially arrive at a most extreme value level of $86.88 in a really significant manner. Avalanche Value Expectation Walk 2024. The cost of Avalanche is for the most part anticipated to by and large reach at any rate worth of $53.23 in Walk 2024, or so they in every practical sense thought. The Avax cost could basically arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $60.52 with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $58.84 all through 2024, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Avalanche Avax Value Expectation April 2024. The cost for Avalanche in April 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $58.39 and $63.46, or so they thought. While the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to be around $61.19, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. Avalanche Avax Value Expectation May 2024. Concerning May 2024, Avalanche cost in every practical sense is estimate to basically arrive at an outright most minimal cost of $61.40, or so they sort of thought. The Avax cost could truly arrive at a truly most extreme cost of $65.91 with the in every way that really matters, normal expected cost around $63.64. Avalanche Value Estimate June 2024. The truly normal cost of Avalanche Avax could truly go to $66.18 toward the finish of June 2024. Kind of additional appearance how these in every way that really matters are our Avalanche cost expectations for Avax's future in an especially huge manner. Avax could in every practical sense be exchanging around and in every practical sense greatest worth of $68.45 with the truly least expected cost of $63.38, exhibiting how might Avax cost truly outperform its unsurpassed high in a genuinely significant manner. Avalanche Avax Value Expectation July 2024. The cost for Avalanche in July 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $64.70 and $71.76, or so they thought. While the typical exchanging cost ought to truly be around $67.51, or so they essentially thought. Avalanche Value Figure August 2024. In August 2024, the most extreme cost for Avalanche could fundamentally stretch around $75.14, which is very huge. Besides, the minimum cost of Avax in August 2024 fundamentally is $67.96 with a genuinely normal cost of $70.21 in a significant manner. Avalanche Avax Value Figure September 2024. The Avalanche Avax cost for September 2024 may sort of arrive at a very least worth of $70.07, while the genuinely greatest estimated cost for the most part is around $77.94, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. The by and large normal cost for Avax certainly is truly anticipated to basically reach $72.31 in September 2024, which really is very critical. Avalanche Value Gauge October 2024. The very normal cost of Avalanche Avax could go to $74.48 toward the finish of October 2024. Avax could be exchanging around a kind of greatest worth of $80.84 with the exceptionally least expected cost of $72.24, showing the way that the Avax cost could explicitly arrive at a genuinely most extreme cost of $65.91 with the in every practical sense normal expected cost around $63.64, which truly is genuinely huge. Avalanche Avax value figure November 2024. For November 2024, the cost of Avalanche in a real sense is anticipated to especially arrive at a really normal cost of $76.72, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of $83.82 and a truly least of $73.91, showing how Avalanche Avax value expectation 2024 as per the Avalanche gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Avax cost fundamentally is supposed to generally cross a very normal value level of $78.25, the normal by and large least value worth of Avalanche toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to basically be $75.45. All things considered, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Avalanche value estimate December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of Avalanche truly is supposed to by and large be at around a really least of $75.45, exhibiting how Avalanche value figure June 2024 the normal cost of Avalanche Avax could generally go to $66.18 toward the finish of June 2024, fundamentally further appearance how these truly are our Avalanche cost. Expectations for Avax's future, or so they thought. Avalanche cost can by and large arrive at a fundamentally limit of $86.88 with the very normal cost of $78.25 in USD, exhibiting that starting around 17 walk 2024 Avalanche explicitly is exchanging at $55.67 in term of its USD rate with the value change of 106% in every practical sense, most recent 60 minutes, which by and large is genuinely huge. Avalanche especially passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Avalanche's cost especially has shown a genuinely decent increment of 127% in the essentially most recent 24 hours, pretty further appearance how Avalanche Avax value gauge September 2024. The Avalanche Avax cost for September 2024 may truly arrive at a truly least worth of $77, while the greatest estimated cost truly is around $77.94 in a significant manner. From sort of most recent 7 days, the Avax by and large was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 32 or 4%, which truly is genuinely critical. Avalanche sort of has shown extremely kind of solid, essentially potential recently, and this could be most certainly great chance to sort of dive right in and contribute sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Avalanche value gauge 2024 fags what will generally be Avalanche exceptionally worth in 2024. The Avax cost truly is gauged to for the most part arrive at a truly greatest degree of $86.88 with by and large least cost of $75.45 toward the finish of 2024 in an in every way that really matters significant way. Torrential slides really have a future, which essentially is very huge. As far as value, Avalanche generally has an extraordinary kind of potential to explicitly arrive at new levels, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. It is conjecture that Avax will increment in esteem in an unpretentious way. As per